Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to resolve ESPN app not working on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can resolve various issues. So, once you should restart your ESPN app to fix this problem. Weak internet connection can cause ESPN app not working issue. So, ensure that your device is connected to a strong internet while playing the game. To do so, turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. It's possible that an ESPN app cache files have been corrupted, and that's what is causing the problem. So, simply clear the cache of the ESPN app to fix it. Open Settings, then go to the Apps or App Manager. Find and click on the ESPN app. Go to the Storage option. Tap on the Clear Cache and Clear Data buttons. Force stopping the ESPN app on your Android is another method to fix ESPN not working. For this, go to Settings, Apps, or App Manager, then ESPN app. Tap Force Stop. Using an outdated version of ESPN app can cause this problem. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. To update the app, open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Update section, find the ESPN app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve app stuck on loading screen or not working problem, then there is no better option than using the Android repair tool. Besides this issue, it can fix other Android system errors and issues easily. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving ESPN app not working issue on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.